Good morning, children. So, yesterday we have learned how to solve the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So, quadratic formula, you have first learned the nature of the root. If the discriminant d is greater than 0, equation has two equal, d greater than 0 equation has two distinct roots, and d equal to 0 equation has two equal roots. D less than 0 equation has no real roots. So if it is having two roots, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. That formula is known as quadratic formula. See this question. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go to 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour. So speed of this boat in still water, speed of boat in still water, it is equal to 18 km per hour. So you want to find out the speed of stream. So let us consider the speed of the stream is x km per hour. You know that if it is moving downstream like this, then speed of the boat is increasing. That means the speed of the boat in downstream is the speed of the boat plus the speed of the stream. So therefore you can write down, and speed of boat in downstream is equal to 18 plus x km per hour. So when it is moving up, speed of the boat in still water is 18, then speed of the water current is x, therefore, and speed of boat, actual speed of boat in downstream, in upstream, equal to 18 minus x km per hour. You know the speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So time taken to go upstream. Upstream the speed is 18 minus x. The distance is, it is given in this question. See, the distance is 24 km upstream. Same way 24 km downstream. Therefore distance travelled is 24. Speed in upstream is 18 minus x. So this much of hours is the time taken to go upstream. Then time taken to go downstream equal to 24 by, then speed in the downstream is 18 plus x. So that much of hours. So one time, this one, suppose you are taking this time in the upstream, it is taken as t1 and this is t2. The difference in time in upstream and downstream is 1 hour. So therefore t1 time, you know that when the boat goes up upstream, time taken will be more than the time taken to go downstream. So t1 minus t2, the difference in time is given 1 hour. Therefore you can write down 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x equal to 1. So you have to solve this. So I am taking 24 out. 1 by 18 minus x minus 1 by 18 plus x equal to 1. Take this 24 to this side. Now 18 minus x, this 18 plus x minus, this will go here, you put it in the bracket because after minus the number come in, the sign will be opposite. So 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Here when you open this bracket, 18 plus x minus 18 minus minus will become plus x. This is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is 18 squared minus x squared is 1 by 24. This 18 and 18 cancel. Therefore x plus x is 2x. 18 squared is 324 minus x squared is 1 by 24. Cross multiplication. 324 minus x squared is 24 into 2x, that is 48x. You bring this one to this side. So it is 324 minus x squared minus 48x is equal to 0. So that is minus x squared minus 48x plus 324 equal to 0. Multiply throughout the equation by minus 1. So therefore this will become minus x squared will become plus x squared. This is plus 48x minus 324 is 0. The value of A is 1, B is 48, C is minus 324. Discriminant D is equal to B squared minus 4 is C. 48 8 squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 324 equals 48 squared. 48 squared is 48 into 48. 2304. This minus into minus is plus. Then 4 into 324 is 1296. So 2304 plus 1296 3600. So D is 3600. Root of D is root of 3600. That is plus or minus 60. So here you are getting root D is plus or minus 60. What is our x? X is minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. Minus b. What is the value of b? B is 48. So it is minus of 48 plus or minus 60 by 2 into a is 1. So it is minus 48 plus or minus 60 by 2. So you know that there are two roots. One root is x is equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2. Other root is minus 48 minus 60 by 2. Here it is 12 by 2 is 6. X is equal to 6. Here it is minus 108 by 2 minus 54. So neglect this value. Why you have to neglect this value? Because speed cannot be negative. So therefore value of x is 6. The speed of the stream is 6 km/h. Speed of stream means it is the speed of water current. Now you can see this exercise 4.3. Question number 4. Sum of the reciprocal of Rehiman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So you have to assume the present age of Rehiman as x. So 3 years ago, what is the age of Rehiman? X minus 3. 5 years from now, what is the age of Rehiman? X plus 5. Then sum of the reciprocal, that is 1. So both the reciprocal, when you add it, you are getting 1/3. So first you should write down present age of Rehiman is x years. 3 years ago, age of Rehiman is x minus 3. 5 years from now, age is x plus 5. So sum of the reciprocal of these two numbers is 1/3. That is, reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is 1/3. So this will come here, x plus 5 plus x minus 3 whole by x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 1/3. X plus x is 2x plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. X plus a into x plus b. X squared minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2 plus 2x minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 equal to 1/3. Cross multiplication. X squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. That is 6x plus 6. So that is x squared plus 2x minus 15. Bring this down here. X squared plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is 0. X squared minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Sum is minus 4. Product is minus 21. So you have to find out 2 7 3s are 21. So sum is minus 1. This is minus 7 and plus 3. X squared minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is 0. X into x minus 7. 3 into x minus 7 is 0. X minus 7 into x plus 3 is 0. Each one is 0. This is x is minus 3 and x is 7. So you have to neglect this. Why you have to neglect this? Age cannot be negative. So therefore, present age of Rehiman is 7 years. In a class test, next question, in a class test, sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. Suppose we take the mark of Shefali in mathematics be x, then the English mark is 30 minus x. Had she got 2 mark more in mathematics, so therefore her mathematics mark is becoming x plus 2. Then English mark 3 marks less in English. 30 minus x minus 3, that is 27 minus x. Then the product of their mark would have been 210. So sum of the mark of mathematics and English is 30. So question number 5, Shefali's mass mark. You take it as x. Then what is the English mark? English mark is Total is 30, 30 minus x. So as per the question, it is given that her mathematics mark, if it is becoming plus 2 mark more, so maths mark is 2 mark more, x plus 2. English mark is 3 marks less, that is 30 minus x minus 3, that is 27 minus x. If this is the mark, the product of these 2 mark would have been 210. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x equal to 210. So 27x plus 2 into this is 54 minus x squared minus 2x is 210. So minus x squared, 27x minus 2x is plus 25x plus 54, this is minus 210 equal to 0. That is minus x squared plus 25x, 210 minus plus 54 is minus 1, this one 210 minus 54, 156, minus 156 is 0, multiply by minus 1, this is x squared minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. You have to sum is minus 25, product is 156. The factors of 156 is 278, 239, 313. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Here 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 and 13. 12 into 13 is 56, but this is minus, of both it is minus. So x squared minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is 0. X into x minus 12 minus 13 into x minus 12 equal to 0. X minus 12 into x minus 13 is 0. So x minus 12 is 0, x minus 13 is 0, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 13. Both the value you can take it. Suppose I take x as 12, then mathematics mark is 12, then English mark is 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 12 is 18. If I take x is equal to 13, mathematics mark is 13, then English mark is 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 13 is 17. Therefore, if she get 12 mark in mathematics, English mark is 18. If she get 13 mark in mathematics, English mark is 17.